Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a simple but very delicious chutney recipe. People underestimate chutney thinking it is a small side dish goes with the breakfast. But no, the truth is chutney is what enhances the entire taste of the breakfast, whether it is idli, dosa or pongal. In this video, I will share you a very tasty chana dal chutney recipe. This chutney pairs very well with masala dosa, rava dosa and neer dosa. Come on, let's get started. In a pan, add about half tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of chana dal and fry it in the medium flame until it turns golden brown. Next, add 2 to 3 red chilies. Here I am using Karnataka Badgi chilies. These chilies are so good, it gives a beautiful color as well as good consistency to the chutney. Turn off the flame and let it cool down. In a mixer jar, add 1 cup of fresh coconut. Next, add roasted chana dal and chilies. Next, add few curry leaves. Curry leaves gives a wonderful aroma and taste to the chutney. Next, I am adding a very small piece of tamarind. Add salt as per your taste. Add water and blend it into smooth paste. The secret behind the good chutney is always well balancing the combination of spice, sour and herbs. I am sharing all my cooking secrets and everything I have learned so far with you. So if you are enjoying these recipes, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's make a quick tempering tadka. Add half a teaspoon of oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3 to 4 curry leaves, 1 red chilli. Let's pour this on chutney. It smells amazing. Enjoy this with your favorite dosa and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.